Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys looking for a quick and easy NETGEAR WN3100RPv2 setup tutorial? In this video, you'll learn how to install and configure the NETGEAR N300 Wi-Fi range extender using the manual browser method. We cover every step, from connecting to the extender's network to completing the setup wizard and finding the best location for maximum Wi-Fi coverage. Follow along and get your extender up and running in just a few minutes. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, plug the extender into a wall outlet near your router. Press the power button if necessary. Wait approximately 1 minute. The power LED should turn solid green. Important: do not connect the extender in a weak signal area during the initial setup. First of all, take the extender out of the box. Plug the extender into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED light to become solid green. Open Chrome, Safari, Edge, etc. In the address bar, type www.mywifixt.net or 192.168.1.250 if the first one doesn't load. You'll see the NETGEAR setup page. Click New Extender Setup. Create an account or log in with an existing NETGEAR account. Select Range Extender Mode. When asked to select device mode, choose Range Extender. Click Next. The extender will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Enter your main router's Wi-Fi password. Choose Wi-Fi name option, use the same Wi-Fi name or keep default _ext added to the name. Click Next. The extender will now apply settings, takes 1 to 2 minutes. When setup finishes, you will see connected successfully. The extender will restart automatically. Reconnect your device to the extended Wi-Fi network. Place the extender in the best location. Unplug the extender. Move it to a position halfway between router and weak signal area. Plug it back in. Check the link LED. Green means best signal, amber means good signal, red means move closer to router. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.